Hello! Today in the lesson we will solve the problem of cooperative work. The condition of the problem is as follows. The first and second companies can build a house in 12 months. The second and third company builds this house in 10 months. And the third and first company builds this house in 15 months. We need to find out how many months it takes the first company to build the house, and how many months it takes the third company to build the house. In order to solve this problem, of course, we need to find the productivity of the first company and the productivity of the third company. But the problem condition tells us that company 1 and company 2, when they work together, they build a house in 12 months. I can find the productivity of company 1 and company 2. That's 1 divided by 12. I can find the productivity of the second and third company. That's 1/10. And I can find the productivity of the third and first company. That's 1/15. Then I can find the productivity of these companies together. I need 1/12 plus 1/10 and plus 1/15. Let's find the common denominator for the denominator of 12, 10 and 15. Then the additive multiplier is 10, the additive multiplier is 12, and the additive multiplier is 8. 10 plus 12 and plus 8. 10 plus 12 and plus 8 equals 31/120ths. Reduce the fraction by 31/120ths. Divide the 30 numerator by 30. And divide the denominator 120 by 30. We get the fraction 1/4. And then 1/4 is the productivity of the company. But notice that each company is written twice in the condition of the problems. Therefore, I need to divide 1/4 by 2. I multiply 1/4 by 1 second equals 1/8. The productivity of 3 companies is 1/8, but the question in our problem was, how long will it take the first company to build this house? And how long it would take the third company to build it? So if the total productivity is 1/8, and the productivity of the second and third company is 1/10, then what do? We subtract 1/10. From 1/8 to 1/10. And then we find the productivity of the first company. The common denominator is 40, an additional multiplier of 5. And 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. 140 is the productivity of the first company. But if the productivity of the first company is 1/40th, then we can find the time. To do that, we need to divide the work by the productivity. 1 divided by 140, or 1 times 41st, equals 40. In 40 months, the first company will build this house. Let's find the productivity of the third company. The condition says that the productivity of the first and second company is 1/12. So there's no third company in this condition, so I'm going from 1/8, I'm going to subtract 1/12. The common denominator is 24. The additional multiplier is 3. And there's 2. 3 minus 2. We get 1/24. Now let's find the time productivity of 1. 24th. And let's find the time. 1 divided by 1/24. 1 first divided by 1/24. 1 first times 1/24 times 1/24. And we get the answer, 24. The time it will take the third company to build this house, 24. Today in the lesson we solved one more problem on joint work. For today our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye, see you again.